today we're at the first Ratchet Friday here in New Jersey in Englishtown. I'm with Cody, his friend Adrian, Jamie, Adrian, Omar, and his 370Z. Doesn't it look good? What do you think about the first Ratchet Friday? You liking it so far?
I want to see what happens in like an hour and then we'll see.
Okay,
yeah.
Cool. How about you, Adrian?
I think they could have used the track a little better, but I'm ready for burnouts. I want to race.
You want to race?
I want my racetrack back.
What do you think about it?
My ass is wet.
1 Beamer, 2 Beamer, 3 Beamer, 4. How many Beamers are in Ratchet now? Run your shit, bitch. You okay?
Yeah, I'm cool.
You cool?
I'm cool. We got here now.
You think you getting in?
We'll see.
Cody's attempting to try to get into VIP. Let's see how it happens.
We went and talked to one of the guys. Cody. So we came back to where the Quarter Mile is, where people used to drag strip over here, and Cody and Adrian got their cars in the VIP. They're mad hype. Their cars are in back of me, his 370Z and Cody's Evo. My car's all the way over there in the front. Show me your leg again.
You ain't ready.
Oh my God! Yo, did you see that dick? What do you gotta say about this? Your girlfriend don't like it, your best friends kinda like it. I'm confused. Kinda like it.
But you know what, car? You gotta rap dicks too.
Oh my God. I came onto this car, dude, and I tagged myself, so shout out to whoever this is. I have a quick question.
What's up?
How do you feel about the drag racing not being here anymore?
It's freaking beat. That's how I feel.
What the fuck are you on right now?
I'm on a hoverboard with a seat and I'm doing some wheelies.
How do you guys feel about the drag racing being closed?
That's terrible.
Actually, I didn't even know about this.
No?
Come on. I swear, dude, I didn't know about this thing. And then my friend that came here a bunch of times, he said that he doesn't come here anymore because of that. Yeah. Because of that reason.
Okay, so a lot of people are protesting, you think?
Yeah. He told me, because I hit him up today, I was like, yo, I'm coming here, do you want to come? He's like, no, because they took down the drag. He's like, I'm not giving them my money.
Quick question, what do you guys think about the drag strip being closed?
That's some
bullshit.
They need to open it back up.
Yeah?
Races on it, of course.
How do you feel about the drag racing not being anymore?
I do not consent to this.
Oh my God, you asshole. I have a question. What do you guys think about the drag strip being closed? No? Not a fan of it? So if you guys don't know what the Raceway Park here at Englishtown is, a lot of people come here for drag racing, do their quarter mile, and Ratchet Friday, of course. There's a lot of other events that they host here, but recently it hasn't been that way. There's a lot of controversy about what's going to happen and what's the future with this track. A lot of people are very upset because we don't have the 1320 anymore, and yeah, it's honestly very upsetting to see it go. How do you feel about the drag strip not being open anymore?
Kinda sad.
Sad? Damn, alright, thank you.
Cody.